how you can fix Tonkeeper Wallet not working. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. So the first thing you'll need to check is if your Tonkeeper wallet is up to date. So just go to your app store, search for Tonkeeper, and after you search for Tonkeeper, just see if it's up to date and just check its version. If you have an update available, just tap on update and update your Tonkeeper. After you've done that, try to use your Tonkeeper again, and if it's not working, what you'll need to do is just go to your settings. After you go to your settings, just go to general, and under general go to iPhone storage. Now under storage you will need to find Tonkeeper wallet, so just go ahead and search for Tonkeeper. So after you find Tonkeeper wallet on your iPhone storage, just go ahead and offload the app. After you offload the app, your app will get deleted, but your data will be stored in your mobile phone. So just offloading this and reinstalling it will help your Tonkeeper wallet work properly. And even after doing that, if it's not working, just go to the settings on your Tonkeeper wallet and just scroll down till you find support. Now it's right here. Open support and tap on start. Now after you tap on start, what you need to do is just tell them your queries, tell them your problem, and then they will fix it for you. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you fix your Tonkeeper wallet not working. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.